All right, here goes a lesson on Rikki Don't Lose That Number by Steely Dan. We got this little intro. We got 2 on the big string and 4 on the G string. Okay, and then we're going to get into this. So we got 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2. And then we got one more 2 there you could hit. You could leave that out if you want to help you get up here in time. But what we have up here is the 2 middle strings, the G and the B. We've got 7s. And then we got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2s, 2 and 2. So. Okay, so kind of 3 times of that run. A little different ending. Go back to that 4, 3 and hold it. Then we're going to have D to A to E. And your basic strumming pattern is like bum, 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 bum. So we're going to do that E twice there. And then the next time we're going to go D to A to E. Then we're going to go. And that's like a C sharp, 6, 6, 6 to 4s to a B there. Now you can hit it just once, or you can kind of hit like twice. Back to D to A, E. Now this time on the E, we can throw in that little cool riff. So 2 to 1 on the G, 2 to 4 on the D, back to that 1 on the G. And then F sharp minor to A. We got that cool little riff there. Now we don't have the lowest note that we would need like on a guitar, so we're going to start with the B string down here. Then we're going to the 1 and 1. 1 on the big string, 1 on the G string. To the 2 on the G string, to the 3 on the B string. So let's look at that again. Little B string open. 1, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go back to the 1, 2, to the 2 on the big one. So it's going to end up being. That gets us into the chorus. So let's look at what we got so far. We got the intro. And there's that last 2 if you can fit it in. Verse, D, A, E twice, D to A, E once, and then we got the C sharp to B, D to A, E, and then we got this little riff, and then we got F sharp minor to A, and our riff, and then our chord. Okay, so that's like a E7-9. So it's a 2, 1, 3, 2. Kind of like 2 bars of that, then to G, A, back to G, D. Twice on that D. Then we're going to C. Twice on C. E minor. Back to C. A. So the chorus we got G. 2 bars each. A. 1 bar back to G. 2 bars of D. C, 2 bars, E minor, and then C, A. So that was an A sus, where we have to just have 2, 2, open, open. It's all about hammering into that second fret of the second string to get an A chord to finish it. So it's like a sus to an A regular. And then we're back to this. 4 times. Back into a verse. D to A, same stuff. E twice. D to A to E once. We got that C sharp to B. D, A, E again. And then we got that little riff. F sharp minor to A. And our riff. So once again, that's B string open, second string. And then big string, 1, and then 1 on the G string. To 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. And then we got chorus chord, E9, G, A, back to G, D, and you can use whatever G and A you like. C, E minor, C, A, and then sus, riff, 4 times. Now here's the guitar solo. We're going to start out kind of like a verse. D to A, E twice, D to A, now G to G twice, then F major 7, G major 7, F major 7, E minor 7, D, A, E twice. And then we're on to the bridge. Let's look at that guitar solo again. We're going to have. Now we're going G twice. F major 7, which is 3, 2, 1 open. Quick to the G major 7, 0, 0, 0, 2. So 1 bar each on those. So when we have we go to the G, 2 bars, and then we start going 1 bar. F major 7, G major 7, F major 7, E minor 7, which is 2, 0, 3, 0, and then D, back to A, back to E twice. Now we have the bridge. Now the bridge I recommend Okay, so for the bridge, you could do an A major 7, which could be like 2, 1, 2, 0. But then we need a G sharp minor 7. So you might do a major 7 like this. You don't have the correct bass, you don't have the A bass, but it's right there in that area for your next chord. So a lot of times on the baritone uke, we can't always get the bass we want, but we just do the best we can with what we got. So you could do an A major 7. This doesn't have an A bass either, but you would have to jump kind of all the way up here. So it might make more sense to do here. So this would be like 6, 6, 5, 4 to the 6, 4, 4, 4. And then back to the first one, A major 7. And then here we're going to go 6, 4, 5, 4. That's supposed to be like a C sharp minor 7. Then we're going to go to F sharp minor to A, like we did before, and then the riff. And then we're back to the chorus. E7, 9 to G. 2 bars each. And then A, 1 bar back to G. And then 2 bars of D. 2 bars of C. 2 bars E minor. 1 bar C to A. And then sus. And you're back to your riff. that's your ending right there, your outro. So I think the most complicated parts are really the solo and the bridge. Let's look at that solo again. Do do do, do do do, down down, do 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 do. I love that solo simulation. Bridge. Then we got our chorus again. C, E minor, C to A sus. Back to our riff, going out. Rikki, don't lose that number. Steely Dan. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.